Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am making a beautiful tree, Christmas tree. I love drawing and painting so much. You can try to make with me. You know that this drawing is about Christmas, a special and holiday. It shows a scene with a bright star at the top, shining or a simple stable. Inside the stable, there is manger with the baby surrounding by animals. The baby is joyous and people are bringing gifts. The night sky is calm and peaceful. The colors are warm like gold and blue. It feels like a quiet and scared moment. Outside there is snow and everything look like scenery. Overall, it's a simple and heartfelt drawing of the holiday of Christmas. This drawing is about Christmas Day. It shows us happy scene with a big decorated tree and colorful lights. There are presents with pretty bows under the tree. People are smiling and wearing Santa hats. Inside, it's warm with a cozy fireplace and stocking are hanging. There is a table with delicious food like cookies. Outside, there is snow and a snowman. In the sky, Santa seal is pulled. The colors are bright and festive, like red, green, and gold. It feels like a joy and special full day. Overall, it's a simple and heartwarming picture of Christmas. Thank you so much you watching my video. Thank you.